course, we've all seen the fake pictures of Earth. There's a NASA official image. But again, for most of us, this is elementary in this. We've already discovered this. But again, for new people watching and listening, they have a problem. They're telling us that these are real images of Earth. Boy, what happened? I mean, did the North America shrunk, man? Right? So these, and again, they admit that these images are composites. They admit that they're photoshopped. Of course, this gentleman right here who actually does it, Mr. What's his name? Robert Simmons, Mr. Blue Marble, said it's photoshopped, but it has to be. And of course, I listened to the interview where he said that. So this is not just a meme I found. I heard the guy say it in an interview.
Photoshopped because it's too flat.
Right.